Shiki Wolves, it's Shiki Wolf back with another YouTube video. Today we're playing Natural Disaster Survival. Now, this is a really fun game that I really like because we kinda just there are disasters and we have to survive them. And we just this time there's a flash flood and we have to just go up here. Yeah, this is just like a really fun game, and I just like to play it in my free time. And yeah. And this is my first gameplay or let's play video on Shitwolf, and I think that's pretty cool. Also, thank you guys for all the support from the last two videos. You know, it really means a lot to me. Wow, that one was really close. You know, with intro to Shirkwolf and and the other one. You Shirky Wolves have been really nice, and I think that's really cool. Oh, the Sunny Ranch. This one is really cool. So, also, I want to shout out, YOLO Justice, who is my editor. And YOLO Justice is, you know, really nice, really cool, and just a really good person. You should subscribe to them, and yeah. So right now, we just kind of wait for the thing to come, and sometimes you die, but you know, accidents happen. You know. Okay. Since it's gonna be a bit, we're gonna call YOLO Justice to do an edit in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now we're back, and this time we're playing on something Raceway. So today in the comments, can you tell me what games you want me to play? Because remember, I read every single comment. Yeah, you Shirky Wolves. Yeah. Oh, it's a flash flood. Okay, we gotta seek high ground. Okay, yes, we got up there. Woo. I want to get on the flag. Okay. No, no! Okay. Oh, no. Oh, I survived. Oh, okay. Oh, we almost got up there. Yay! Oh, okay, we survived. That was really scary. Yeah. So this game is really fun, and yeah. So one of the things with Shirkwolf, it's always been one of the things that I've been really hoping for is that I could be kind of one of the a big YouTuber, and you know, I hope all you Shirky Wolves can help support me, and I'm really happy because like all of the support from you guys has just been amazing, and I don't know what to say. It's just crazy. So Roblox is like definitely my favorite game that I like to play, because like there's so much stuff to do. You know, like you can hang out, you can play like natural disasters. There's so much stuff. But like a lot of the time I'm in school, and I go to the Jennings, Missouri elementary school, and so I'm in Miss Anderson's class, and she's really strict, and but she's really good at teaching, and I've learned a lot of stuff. Like regrouping has been like it's been great, like honestly. But you know, she's very strict, but you know, like, but it's just kind of nice being able to see like all of my friends a lot, you know. Like even in the pandemic that we're having, but you know, it's okay. Well, we survived. That was pretty cool. If any of you Chunky Wolves want to friend request me on Roblox, my name is ShirkWolfYT. And that is about it for this video. Bye, Chunky Wolves.